we are back after the pump repair, and we are on the top side of the engine, and I just want to show you guys where the air pump lives. Under the intake manifold right there. It's secured by 3 bolts and has 2 feeder pipes to it. So one is the intake pipe that feeds it with fresh air, the other is the exhaust port pipe that goes to the exhaust emissions port. So basically what it does, it injects the exhaust system with fresh air that feeds it with more oxygen, and that gives the catalytic converters a bit more help with the warming up. So the pump is fixed now, and it kept blowing fuses, so I had to rig up a test fuse bench of sorts here, because I wasn't sure what was going on. It also killed the relay, which I found out much later after fixing the fuses. So what is going to happen here, I've just rigged this up to feed it with power. The ignition is off, the car is asleep, but that fuse box remains supplied with juice. So I'm going to put this here. There should be air coming out from this hose, and we will know because I will jump the relay using my trusty wiper blade inserts. I am using a 35 amp fuse there because I want a slightly lower amperage to test whether we still have a problem with the pump, which I doubt. So let's try. Good, we have air, so that means the mechanical side of things is okay. I just need to replace the fuse and plug in the fresh relay. Then we shall run the same test again using diagnostics to see that the car can actually manage the injection system. I also found a dying hose here which have been replaced. Purists in the house, please don't kill me. I don't have any black silicone, and that'll have to do for now. So pretty much, yep, that's where we were at with the fault code that manifested. Let's see whether we can get this sorted. Okay, so we've done a quick reinstall of everything. The airbox is back in place, the engine control module, all the piping is in check. I've been preheating the engine. I have left the fuse box open because I want to inspect and see whether that relay is clicking in time. And now we need to run a diagnostic activation check to see whether we actually have normal operation. So what I'll do is I'll just go into the vehicle dynamics, motor control, which is the engine control. I will get into the secondary injection pump control, and it usually requires you to be at temperature. That's why I needed to preheat the engine. And then we are going to attempt to run it from diagnostics. So let's see whether it actually works. We should be able to hear it. It's quite loud even though the engine is running. So here is the moment of truth. Running okay. Vehicle dynamics seems to be running fine. So I think we are out of the woods, and we can just start watching our emissions and anything else that will be requiring attention. Alright then, until the next time, peace.